wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. And I forgot to mention this earlier, whenever you see that table go all the way forward and I'm not doing anything with the saw, I'm resetting the length guide. So whenever that cylinder goes all the way to the wedge, it'll back up and automatically stops at the set 16-inch increment, and then you drop the grabber arm and it returns back. So if it slides, if it moves, if anything happens, I take that all the way forward to the wedge, reset it, back it off, drop the grabber arm, and then the table continues back on its own. I was messing with the wedge on that one, trying to get the height right, and to do the wedge, you're actually working the grabber button, so that's why the table started back on its own. I wasn't thinking about it, so. We're gonna keep going. I'm having fun now. The chain's sharp, everything's tight, so hammer down. if you watch the videos, you enjoy the channel, you find this information that we put out there beneficial, can I ask you to give me a phone call? It's 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can always shoot me an email, which is just sales@shaverequipment.com, and just tell me what you're interested in, you know, give me your number or whatnot. But then there's even an easier way still, and I'll put that up here on the screen. If you go over to our website, which is shaverequipment.com, S-H-A-V like Victor, E-R, equipment.com, there's a button. Hit request a quote. And when you hit that request a quote button, it opens up a form. You get to fill it out. That way I don't spell your name wrong or goof up on your email if you're calling me. You can fill out the form, tell me what you're interested in, and then I'll either email you back, but more than likely, I'll call you so we can talk. I'll work up a custom quote that suits your needs and your budget, gives you something for the here and now or something to grow with as your business expands. And we run everything that we offer. So if it's a Halverson, from the 100 to the trailer models to the 120, the 140B, and then a big 150. If it's something as simple as a splitter, we go through the whole brute force lineup from $8,600 to over $30,000. We do the SplitForce stuff, the vertical splitters, as a towable, as a self-propelled, as a 16-foot conveyor, and as a 20-foot conveyor. We have a bunch of those inbound from Matthew and the team up there at SplitForce. That'll be coming probably 2 weeks from now. And then if you want a full-blown processor with the live deck, you know, the output conveyor, a disc cleaner, a stacking conveyor like what we have on the other side of the log pile, we can do that too. We run it all. So when you call me and tell me what diameter, what length, what finish kind of product you're looking for, we can put all of that together in a nice handy sales quote. So please, again, give me a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. Shoot me an email, sales@shaverequipment.com. You can hit the request a quote right on the website, shaverequipment.com. There's 3 different ways to get a hold of me. And if you notice down here at the bottom of the graphics, don't tell anybody, it's our little secret. That's my cell number. If you want this phone to ring, call that number. So it's out there, okay? It rings. Hopefully we earn your business. We make a little bit of money and it goes around. We are an authorized dealer for all of the different manufacturers that you see here on the channel. So I do hope to hear from you soon. To stay up to date on everything we have going on, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button here on the channel. We are almost at 5,000 subscribers. I think this morning when I looked, it was 4.97 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers. So we're 300 people away. Maybe we do a big reveal, maybe we do a giveaway at 5,000. I haven't decided yet. But please hit the like and subscribe. Stay up to date on everything we have going on. And with hydraulic helpers like this, working hard to be lazy couldn't be easier. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.